Guys, welcome to another video here. YT Gaming. Oh my gosh, we're playing natural disaster survival and it's acid rain right now and my health is gone. And say hi to my friend Garrett. Say hi. Say hi, Garrett. Hi. Okay. So what should we play? What should we do? Burn. What's that here? I can hear it burning. You're not safe. It's coming. Hide your balloon. Oh no! The thing was like poisonous, I guess. I just like break it out and go woo. Oh my gosh! It burnt the roof. Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna die. I never need to do that. I do that all the time. Okay. We're not even a minute into the video. Oh, now it's a minute into the video. Okay. Push me. Whoa! Oh, bracing. Give me there. Give me there. Whee! Oh, whoa. Mine. I'm gonna take this blue one. Oh, I'll take the yellow one. Move it, guest. I can beat you all with this. I know, it's probably gonna be a blizzard or a tornado. I hope not. There's a ramp? Oh no, it's not. What?
Go under it, go under it.
I'm just so confused, like, how? It's like see-through.
Go under it, go under it. I want you to go under it.
Yeah, okay.
You should go under it.
I'll be safe down here. No! Shoot! I knew it! Whoa! Stop chasing me! I'm getting sucked into it. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Don't use your balloon then. Go under it, go under it.
How? That's this. How am I gonna see a tornado and see where it's going? Oh my gosh, we're gonna destroy it. Whoa!
It's heading towards you.
I know.
Get away from it, get away
I'm
from
going
it.
over there.
Away from it.
I'm trying to. Oh no! Did you see that? Suck me in. It's chasing me.
It's chasing you. It's supposed to chase you.
I'm gonna live this though. I'm not. It's not gonna be my last day. Well, if I'm the only one who lives, that would be. Oh, there's still people over here. Die. No, I was going. So I can win. That's kidding. That would be sad if they died.
You only have that part. That's part.
Oh no! It's right there. Bye guys. It's sad.
Go under it.
Oh yeah, I think he got hit. No, I think it got a guy.
No wait, go under that.
No, it got me. It got me. Oh hi. There's a guy right there. Waved. I think he just like sacrificed himself. He did. That's just sad. Wait, no, I just saw him. How are you guys still alive? You need to. There I am, right there. Because the person said, make sure to send me a friend request, and I might accept it. I don't have a kind of design friends request. I don't know if I'll accept it. I'm gonna have to do something to get friend request away. So, Oi, are you okay? No, I was kidding.
Yeah, it's a new thing.
She's flying.
What is it?
Sunny Ranch.
Yeah, go to Sunny Ranch.
She's mad. I don't. You. The heck. Okay.
Go in the barn where it's safe. It's.
Ooh, yes. Oh, I was gonna make it for the hole. Do.
You made it.
Wait, how did they get up here? No one else can get up here. Huh. Wait.
Unless they have a balloon.
Yeah, they can. Well, that hurt. Ooh, let's go outside and see what's gonna kill me today. I bet it's gonna be a tsunami, right?
Then go to the top of the house. Stay on top of the house.
It's a barn. It's not a house.
Oh, barn.
It's my house. No, it's gonna be my house like one day.
No, go.
Someone just died.
Go climb it. Go climb it.
Blizzard. Oh no. I'm gonna die. Okay, I'm safe in here. Everything's freezing. What the heck? I'm gonna like. Look.
Go there. Yeah. Go there.
Whack. Whack.
Just go. It's safe up there.
No, it's not. I'm getting frozen. Hi. I'm safe right here. Oh no, I'm burning. No, get me out of here. I'm just safe right here.
Save me.
It's right here. It's safe right here. Oh, my headphones are falling off.
You're
that
still
hurt.
alive.
I know. Look at my health. I'm almost dead.
Oh my god.
See right there, yeah.
Go under it.
Ah! No, 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 no. Well, I'm safe. Wait, I think I'm the only one to live. What if I'm the only one to live? I know there's
Go
someone over
under
there.
that.
That guy has a balloon over there. See? Oh, you can hide in the hay. That's a balloon. What the heck?
Everybody's hiding there.
I hope like a blizzard just comes like, those are gonna leave you guys like, hey, we was cooking 879. Look what happened to it. Oops.
Oh my gosh, Wyatt.
Oof. Oh, I think this is the end of the video. Well, thank you guys for watching, and goodbye, enjoy, subscribe, and comment, tell your idea, and